Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to show you something that I had bought to help out my spinning technique a little bit more. This is a collapsible pool, so it's portable. You just fold it down. I believe it's about 32 inches wide, so I have a decent amount of space and can work on some larger canvases if I want to spin them. And you can layer your colors in any order that you want. I like the way that these look when the magenta is swiped over the other two colors. I've tried it the opposite way with the yellow on top and it just doesn't look the same. So this is just my preference. I think I want to go a few different directions so that I get cells in different areas. Yeah, this is making some really nice cells. I like this palette knife. Some different directions here. And I'm going to fill in just these areas here. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to let this sit just for a minute, let some of those cells form, and then we will spin. But that was fun. It was something a little different than just doing a normal bloom. And then I also have my larger canvas. I'll probably grab a little bit more tape. So this is just acid-free paper. It's pretty sturdy. It's kind of like a cardstock. It works well for swiping because it holds up well, so it pulls that paint nicely. Oh, that's really pretty. Those colors look awesome. This one turned out really nicely, and I will get some really pretty pictures of this outside once it is all dry. So I just wanted to show these two off. They are all dry. The cells in these pieces are gorgeous. You can really see, there we go, right in this area, and then right down in here where that pink goes over the orange and yellow, and then you have the white cells, is what I really like to see with these colors. So I don't know if I'm going to save this one. I may just use these nice areas for some pendants, but I just wanted to show you both. They dried very, very nicely. Just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think and if there are other techniques that you'd like to see. And don't forget to hit that subscribe bell. I put out 3 videos a week.